we think about the summer, like what do we think the summer looks like? I feel like it's probably going to be like a little bit of a mixed bag of all kind of stuff because inventory, there's a lot of inventory. This is April, mid-April. We're kind of waiting. I know I shared a News Channel 2 Nashville special with, they were interviewing our Greater Nashville Realtor. I sent you that news article that they were interviewing the Greater Nashville Realtor Association. And we're expecting the normal kind of late spring, early summer rush with switching for schools and changing school districts, changing houses and addresses for that. But right now we've got a lot of inventory. I don't think it's going to be anything. We probably won't see another surge like 21, 22. But I mean, even if we get like an 8 or 10 minute swing in buyers in here, because this has kind of put a little hold on our prices increasing, right? In fact, seeing about a 2% drop. But like, what are you thinking the summer's going to look like market wise?
I think the summer is always going to bring more buyers and sellers into the market just because of those things you talk about. The school year is coming to an end. They're able to move and, not pull their kids out of school in the middle of the year. So that's a big part of it. Summer tends to slow down a little bit, just like your world slows down. Not necessarily real estate market, but world slows down a little bit. People are more willing to get outside and go look at homes compared to the frigid winters here in January. January, February. That helps too. I think this year will be a big summer because, the people who bought homes in 2020 and 2021, they got in at a low interest rate, but life happens and kids come along and they may have got a good deal on something they thought would last them a little bit back in that time, but they've outgrown it or they're making more money now and they want to go buy a bigger home. So eventually they're going to let go of the low interest rate because it's been too long and they're ready to go. Yeah. They can't just hold on to this 2-3% interest rate anymore. They know they're going to have to step away from that. Or you can also see they'll keep that property and rent it out to renters because Nashville is, people want to live here, whether they're renting or owning, they're coming. So if you own a home at a 2-3% interest rate, it's hard to let go of. Maybe don't let go of it and bring a renter in there and still go buy something else that's more of your dream home.